Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Olla Heater. But before we get into that, a lot of you have been asking me how do I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide that shows you my exact process. So the link is in the description down below for you guys to check out. And with that out of the way, let's get into the review. So as you can see, you have it pulled up here on their website, guys. So they claim, they have bold claims right here to just heat the room in just 2 minutes. That is pretty impossible for something so small like this. There's a red flag already. And another red flag is right here, 21k happy customers with these stars right here. So if you're the one who made the website, you can very well just edit this in to put this fake review in. And as you can see, it is very small, guys. So how can you heat an entire room with this small of a device? It is physically impossible. It is just like one of those mini air conditioners that are scams, and they just drop ship from China. So as you can see, you have it pulled up here on Trustpilot as well, and they're rated 2.0 out of 5 stars, which is pretty disappointing with 19 reviews. And let's read some reviews here. So as you can see, 1 star, I watched the advert and became concerned that people might believe the BS they are told. One does not need to be a scientist to understand that the electricity being used is the only source of energy. The biggest load crap that's ever been sold on the internet. Absolute garbage. Disappointing. Do yourself a favor and do not buy. This is a scam. Scam from Latvia. Does not deserve even 1 star. The claims made by the manufacturer violate the first law of thermodynamics. Scam. Complete waste of money and a lot more. So please, guys, do not buy this product. It is very much a scam. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.